Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. AJ Reese here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add some stream sound alerts to your channel. The stream sound alerts extension is a great way to keep your chat engaged with you, whether using channel points or whether using bits to play various different sounds, everything from a really weird farting noise to a jump scare, and even just to play funny music if something amusing is happening in your scene. Just like this one. It's a great way to keep viewers engaged, and it's really easy and free to set up. If this is your first time viewing the content and first time to the channel, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button and ding that bell for notifications. And if it's something that you're going to find interesting and something you might use on your stream, don't forget to leave a like rating down below. Also, if you ever want to catch me live, you can find me on twitch.tv/AJ Reese, link down in the description below, and I stream every Thursday and Saturday. Lastly, if you want to join a great community of streamers, content creators, and tech advisors, don't forget to join Reese's Ranch. That'd be up my Discord server, link also down in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get your sound alerts into your stream. Okay, so the first thing, as normal guys, we're going to go over to our Google Chrome or our browser and open up a new tab. We're then going to head on over to Twitch. I've got a little extension here to get me straight to my page. And then we're going to go to the top corner of our profile, click on that, and go over to our creator dashboard. From here, as you can see down the left hand side, we have an option here for the extensions. So we're going to go on the extensions and go over to the search bar. And from here, we're going to type in sound alerts. Now, it's the first option that you're going to want, as you can see here, and we're going to hit install. From here, it's then going to instantly install the extension, and we're going to configure the install. Now, it will bring up this box here, and we're going to click configure sound alerts. It's then going to open up a new page, and it's going to ask us to log in with our Twitch account. Now, as you can see here, we have some of my followers that have been used to play bits and channel points for various different sounds. Now, to add a sound is really easy. If we head on over to the library, we can browse through all the various different types of sounds that this platform has to offer, whether it's funny sounds, surprise sounds, angry sounds, but we can click on one of these play buttons to preview what it sounds like before adding it into our extension. Now, once you've chosen which particular sounds that you want, and believe you me, I'd set some time aside for this, because when I was going through the sounds that I wanted, I was on here for probably just short of 3 hours, having a lot of fun in terms of what sounds I actually wanted my viewers to be able to play on my stream. We're then going to head over to the sounds tab. Now, as you can see here, my active sound alerts, I've got a list of them just here and exactly how much it is to pay for each different type of sound alert. In this one, we've got an extension sounds limit. We can have up to 30 sounds that people would donate bits for. Alternatively, we can go over to this other tab and you can have a maximum of 5 different sounds that can be used via channel points to be played on your stream. To actually get this set up, what we're going to do next is we're going to go over to the settings tab. From here, we can have the extension theme color. I like to have mine as red because I like to have red as the theme of my stream. Or you can stick it with the usual purple, so everything will come up purple like it does here on the bar in the left. We're also going to have the leaderboard enabled so we can have a look to see who plays the most sounds and who pays the most in terms of sounds. We're also going to have the chat alert enabled. This means that there'll be a message that pops up in the stream chat whenever a noise is played. We're also going to keep this option enabled for channel points. This means that we can definitely have those 5 sounds that people can use channel points to pay for the sounds rather than having to use bits. Next thing, we go over to the overlay alert. Have it as the default size, and it gives you a bit of an example as to what the alert will look like. We're then going to save those settings, go over to setup. Now, to get this set up in your stream, I use OBS Studio. However, if you use something like Streamlabs or XSplit or even Twitch Studio, you would need to click this I use something else button, but we're going to click the OBS Studio button as well. We've now got 2 options. We can either drag and drop this box into OBS, or we're going to use the copy and paste method, and this is the method I prefer to use. So we're going to hit that. We're going to copy the URL by pressing this button. We're then going to open OBS. Bit of inception there for everybody. We're going to go over to our plus button. We're going to add a browser source, and we're going to create new, and we're going to call this sound alerts. Hit OK, and then we're going to paste this into the URL and hit OK. Now, I've split the screen for a reason. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and have a look at how this actually looks like on your stream. So over here in your browser tab, we're going to go over to settings, go over to general, go over to overlay alert, and test the alert. As you can see, that was quite loud, and that alert is actually quite a large size. So what we can do is we can now click on the alert, shrink this down, and move it to wherever we would like to have it on the screen. You can then hit test alert again. And you can resize it and reshape it to wherever you want it to come up on the screen. I tend to keep mine up in the top corner here, just above my webcam. So every time somebody plays something, it pops up above my head in terms of the game I'm playing. So guys, it's that quick and easy to get those sound alerts installed on your stream. Now, just remember, it will take you a while to probably sift through everything that you'd want to do and what sound alerts you want to have, especially the ones with the channel pointers. You're limited to just 5. But do take your time, pick ones that suit you, and just have a bit of fun with it. I hope this has been of help to you, and if you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button before. But until next time guys, may your lobbies be full of bots, and the odds be forever in your favour.